So the weather today, you probably noticed some considerable differences this morning versus what we had yesterday morning. And that's first and foremost the fact that we don't have the wind. We do have some fog in the forecast this morning. And then as we move through the next couple of days, we'll be looking at mild temperatures all around with plenty of sunshine. So we're starting off this morning again looking out toward downtown Sacramento, and you can see plenty of sunshine there. But we do have some low clouds in the forecast, and those low clouds have been something that we've definitely seen for areas south of Sacramento, all the way down through Stockton as well as Modesto. Now here's a pretty nice photo. Hazy Big Sur had a wildfire near Big Sur. The Colorado fire still burning, 25% contained, more than 1,000 acres. And that had to do with winds. The winds were very brisk and just downright blustery Friday heading into Saturday. For today, if you're outside and if you have the opportunity to take a photo, possibly of where you are, you can always upload it to the ABC 10 app. So we had the winds, and the winds did bring in some offshore winds, which tend to be drier, and they were mild for us. And they really had everything to do with the afternoon highs yesterday. Look at this, 75 in Oroville, 70 degrees in Marysville, 78 in Ukiah, 75 in Santa Rosa, 70 degrees in Fairfield. So you get the offshore wind. Those are winds coming again across those land masses. They tend to be milder, and it warmed up temperatures. But as far as today, a completely different story. We're not looking at those very strong winds that we had. So things cool down in the overnight. We call that radiational cooling, and it definitely led to more fog forming in some of those valley locations. We're socked in Stockton and Modesto. We're looking at low visibility in Sacramento and even worse visibility in Fairfield. Now, as we move through the morning, you'll see things warming up, and the sunshine is going to help mix everything out, but it's going to take to around mid-morning for that to happen for those valley locations. Outside right now, it's 44 in Sacramento. I got 54 in Placerville, 10-degree difference there. Cooler up in the Sierra with 16 in Truckee, 17 degrees in South Lake Tahoe, and also a cold start in Fairfield, 38 degrees. That's no surprise. They're socked in. They haven't had much sunshine, so temperatures are struggling to warm. This morning versus the same time yesterday morning, look at how much cooler it is. 16 degrees cooler in Sacramento, 11 degrees cooler in Marysville, 19 degrees cooler in Fairfield. Again, because of the wind, right? Less wind, we cool down, and we're looking at temperatures much cooler versus the same time Saturday morning. So for your weather headlines, light winds equal cooler temperatures. That's why we have the valley fog. Milder temperatures in the forecast for the north end of the valley again today, and then a wetter pattern ahead. Possibly. Take a look. Here's a look at some of our long-range weather models. I'm going forward in time. I have the power to do that. And you can see by Thursday, looking at a system out in the Pacific. Does it hold together? No, it doesn't. But hold on. Another one comes in, and look at this. If it holds together, Tuesday after next, Wednesday after next, we can see rainfall coming in. So how far off is that? That's like the first week of February. But don't worry, we need it, so I'm holding out for it. Take a look at the 10-day forecast. Before that happens, plenty of sunshine and mild temperatures.
Thank you, Tracy.